What's up, guys? It's your boy K9, here to talk about my journey with the Hussla squad. So I joined about 2 months ago after seeing a story talking about making risk-free money. And I don't know about you, but I think everyone is keen for risk-free money. So I did the free course, made a couple $100 off that. And the thing about fast money is that it tends to go away. So I was pretty interested in how to keep this consistent and how to make sure that I'm making money every week on the side kind of thing. So I ended up joining the Platinum Squad, where they showed you how to be more sustainable with this and turn it into more of a lifestyle. And so I did it. I joined. They even offered to refund you the money for wasting your time if you didn't like it, which I thought was pretty good. So yeah, I ended up joining. Till this day, about 2 months in, 8 weeks of doing this for about max 5 hours a week. I reckon I've made easy 3K, probably close to 4, which is pretty crazy, especially the fact that I was doing a lot of uni work in between, and I was probably only doing it once or twice a week, splitting up like an hour here, 2 hours there, 3 hours there. So yeah, if I put in a lot more effort, I'm 100% this could have gone a lot higher. But yeah, that's basically my story. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm down to answer it. Everyone's down to answer it. There's a massive community where even if you ask a dumb question, if you apologize for asking that question, you get penalized. So ask any question you want, no matter how dumb it is. So ask me a question, ask them a question. I'm keen to answer anything. That's my journey basically. Cheers.